Hello everyone and welcome back to Captain of Industry. So let's see what we can do today. Oh yeah, we have a lot of notifications because I left things a little bit half done the last time. So we need some extra wood cutting. Let's take care of that right now. That should do it for a while. Next up, I was told that, yes, that's it. We should disallow partial loading for the trucks so they can actually only take up jobs that allow them to make a full load in one run. So they are actually making less runs. Next up, I would like to disallow trucks from using this storage. And let's see, I think these pipes are not set up correctly. Indeed they are not. Let's see, is this, yes, this one needs a priority from, yes, from coming from the gas boiler. This one is the, I think this is the light oil. And this one needs priority towards, let's see. Oh, this one is already correct. And this one is correct already as well. At least I think so. Yeah, I think this is okay. Okay, so we already needed to sort out the steam. So this one will work okay. Let's see what we can do. I did start digging down here, but I think we can do a little bit more. So let's see. Let's switch to mining. And I think, yes, let's do it now. I will let's see. I will leave one space so trucks can get around. So we are doing, this is the current level of the mine, but I think I will go 5 more steps down. Let's see what this one does. I will immediately tell all the excavators to get on this, so this run gets done quickly. And they are still concentrating on core, right? Yes, they are. Okay, so what's next? What's next? Maybe I should upgrade these guys so we can actually get construction tools a little bit faster. So let's upgrade. There we go. This should double our construction material production. Let's see, you. Yes, I can quick deliver. Perfect. The sooner I get this done, the sooner we can make these construction tools. Now let's see. First of all, let me sort out the woodcutter. I already have 3 trucks assigned to it. Maybe I will give it a 4th one. Then we should sort out the concrete slab production as well. And the thing is, this rock crusher can actually support 3 of these. Let's see. I think we just researched. Yes, we have the concrete mixer too. So this one will... it just basically doubles the speed. So since we have such a big island, I don't think we are spoiled for... I mean, not spoiled. We have too many restrictions on space usage. So I think, let's see, I will I will move this one and double up the capacity of this production. So let's do it quickly. So we need the crusher. You are going to be facing this way. Maybe I will place it 2 steps back so we can make a ramp up. And as soon as we empty this one out, okay, so how is this ramp doing? Yeah, no surprises there. We need to get this section free before these guys can be rescued. But anyway, we have, this is two squares wide, so we can only have 2 of these excavators working on it anyway, so there is no big loss. They will sort it out sooner or later. Okay, so the crusher has no recipe, so it is now built. This one will be done in a second. So we would like to have it use the old recipe. Okay, now we can hurry this one up. And I would like to... maybe I will mirror this one so it conforms a little bit nicer. And let's not forget that we would like to have slag ready to go. Where do we put this? Maybe I should put it... yeah, I will put it here. So you will store slag full all the time. And we can have this one go. Maybe I should have it like this. Let's see. Yeah, this is just fine. So you are doing the same thing as your neighbor. And let's see. You will go up by 1 and connect up, and you the same. Okay, so this will sort out the slag production. We should double up this one as well, the rotary kiln. So let's mirror it. Yeah, I think this will be just fine if I do this. So you connect up here, you connect up here. You need to store coal full all the time. And I think instead of hooking up into this line under here directly, I will hook it up in this place. Yeah, so the actual products are distributed equally. And at this point, one of these can support 2 of these. So for now, I will just place 2 more and maybe expand later. For now, this should be okay. So let's hook up the water. Let's go until this way, this much. There we go. So this is the water sorted. Let's sort out the output. There we go. And let's place, yeah, the cement. There we go. Next we should place the cannot find pillars placement. Maybe if I trim this one back by 1. Yes, this will do. So you were... no, you were 3... oh, there we go. We managed to find a place for it, so... it was coming from the middle into this inlet. There we go. And we had the crushed slag going this way. And you can just connect up here. So let's speed things up, and you are going to use, you know what? I think I will turn off the inefficient version of the process. There we go. Now I am fairly sure that this is not going to be enough water for this one. So let me just fix that. There we go. Let's quick deliver it, everything. There we go. And so I think I will double up the water production. Let's make sure we leave enough space for the trucks. Maybe I will do it like this. So we had 3 before, so I will now have 6. Let's place the pipes first. So you go from here to here. Again, if I place one more pipe here, this will turn this into a junction, and that will allow us to place these straight next to them. There we go. So we can now get rid of this small piece of pipe. And if I can, I would like to fast build everything. This one, we don't have enough wood, but we will in a minute. So at this point we managed to double our concrete slab production. Let's see, this one is empty, so I think we only have one truck dealing with limestone. And also, yeah, just as I suspected, I did not set limestone to be stored here. And now we have recycling researched. Okay, so we have lots of notifications. Let's see, copper mine is empty. So, is it because of the fuel? Where is the fuel station? There it is. Okay, so you have a problem. Okay, let's see. Why don't they deliver fuel? Because there is fuel here. Maybe I will give it one more truck. Let's see, let's see. They should be able to deliver fuel to these guys. You know what? Fine, I will rescue these. You can come back as well. There we go, you too. Okay, so we have the trucks reassigned automatically. Yes, there we go. Perfect. But we still are struggling with fuel. I think these guys are trying to refuel the ones in the pit. Yes. So tell you what, I will unassign these two. Let's see. And we have the one inside that were kept online. How about... fine. I will recover this guy. So, does it get reassigned? Yes, it does. So can we please get some fuel to these guys? Maybe this ramp was a bit hasty. Can we please get some fuel? Maybe this one? Yeah, I think this will do. Please get this done, because we are running low on coal. Okay, so this one now continues, so we can get back to other things. It's the same for this guy. Okay, so the copper mine is empty, but now they have fuel, so that is fine. Okay, good thing I checked. This mining is almost finished. So I will just assign everything we can. We can do it until this point. Let's do everything fine. I will do the whole zone. There we go. So you guys are still concentrating on copper, right? Right. What's next? We are running low on sand, but that was because of the fuel, I think. And we are running out of coal because of this, of course. Low supply of iron. I think they are fixing that now. Okay, so the fuel emergency is now over. At least I hope so. Speaking of fuel, maybe I should add a couple extra storages just in case. That should do it. And so this will be the first one and it will feed into the last one. So this will be the bottom of the tank basically. This is the top of the tank. So if we set this one, let's see, first let's rename it. This will be the diesel refinery. Can I copy it? Yes, I can. Perfect. So, if the diesel refinery is empty, that will basically mean that we are 1/4 through our diesel supply. Yeah. So I will let me know if this one is empty and this one. And this should sort out. Yeah, this should build up these reserves a little bit. Okay, so how is the old oil field doing? It still has 28%. Ah, that's fine. So, how is this pit doing? Okay, they are getting close. But at least I think coal is now dealt with. I will include one more, just so we can store a little bit extra. And I cannot quick build because we are low on the second tier of construction parts. Because we are running low on concrete slabs, and we are running low on concrete slab because this one, and that's, let me guess, yeah, it's coal, of course. It should get sorted out pretty soon. What is your problem? Oh yeah, I didn't reassign these excavators. Thank you very much. Let's get to work. Now, this should sort out coal. So the first deliveries will go to the power generator. Speaking of the power generator, I think I would like to move this one. So, let's see. These guys use the second tier, so before I move this one, I would like to build back the construction materials a little bit. Okay, so about this storage. As I've said, at this point, this setup is self-fueling because it uses the excess light oil to fuel the water. So theoretically, we should never actually have to touch this coal in the future. But in case we have to, I think we can bring in coal through this empty space. And also, we have a couple superfluous pieces of pipe. So if we absolutely have to, we can bring in coal, yeah, right here. So this is just fine. But right now it's not important. How is the town doing? I think I would like to avoid trucks picking up water from here. This one is just for the town. And how are you doing? You cannot get rid of the brine, I think. Seems we should include a second pipe dumper. I mean, liquid dump. You will only deal with the brine. So let's quick build. We can delete this pipe. And there we go. Now it's dumping the brine. And that should sort out. Okay, we have cargo depot too. What do we need for this one? Construction materials too, so we are still rebuilding that one. Let's see. We are actually using 48 water per minute. And we are making much more than that, so that is fine. Theoretically, this should bounce back in a couple minutes. So power is now, yeah, it's now sorted. What are we building that is still eating up the construction materials? We can dismiss this one. I don't see anything building. Oh well, anyway. Let's see, if I would like to extend our farms, I cannot go this way. Also, maybe I should get rid of this. This will be emptied out, that's fine. And maybe I should include, let's see, where is the groundwater? It goes until the entire farming area. So I think I will include one ground pump on each end and use not splitters, the what's it called? The balancers, so that we are still pumping up water, but the rain catchers have priority. And I think we should be able to do it right here. So let me just trim back a little bit. Maybe until here and here, fine. We can get rid of all these pipe pieces. There we go. So, a pipe balancer will go here. We are going to hook up the rain catchers. And we are going to feed the farms. And we have priority coming in from the rain catchers. So far so good. Then, let's see, do we have any actual space in here for the pumps? Because if we did, that would be pretty nice. Yeah, I think we can include 2 pumps here. Let's see, first of all, let's stop building these. And I will get rid of these segments as well. So once this construction is done, and it's done, so groundwater pump goes here and let's see. It's a bit big. I think I will put it. You know what? I will just put two of them like this. So let's see. Once again, let's paste down the pipes. We have these coming in this way. How they interact with the groundwater pumps? How far do we have to go until they cannot really interact? Okay, that's fine. So let's see. Let's hook them up first. So you will go here. Yes, and you will go... No, this is not going to work. 1 second, please. So, groundwater pump. You know what, fine. I will place one here and one here. Okay, that will leave us lots of space for the actual farm pipes. So you will hook up here and you will go out this way and hook up to the farms. You are the same. There we go. So once again, priority coming in from the rain catchers, and the rest non-priority comes in from the groundwater pumps. Output priority is, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this should be okay. Let me quick build. Oh yeah, these require construction parts too, that's fine. I think we can get rid of this pipe and this pipe. Okay, so let me know when these are done. For some reason trucks can reach. I am not going to argue. Okay, we can quick deliver for this one. And this will ensure that even if we have don't have enough rain, the farms should still get enough water. And since the rain catchers have priority, the amount of groundwater right here, the reserve, should be used much less. Okay, so that one is sorted. What's next? What's next? How is this mine? This mine is doing fine. In fact, maybe I should add some retaining walls. Let's see. How do we do this? I think I will mine. I will extend. Let's see, it's until... No. Until here. There we go. I will widen this ramp. And then I will place retaining walls going down when it is widened. We only really need to have, at least for myself, I will only have a 2 square wide ramp. So once the outsides are done, I can place down the retaining walls. And after that we can dig around it. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, this one needs an exhaust. My apologies. Okay, now with this we should have, yeah, we have limestone, we have coal. At this point we should have double the concrete slab production. Oh, very nice. Perfect. We have water recovery. So, how is the construction parts too? It is still way too low. I think all of this going towards these guys. You know what? That's fine. We will need this to make trading for the glass. And we have quite a bit of diesel stored up. That is perfect. And which means, yes, we have some light oil, which will feed the boilers. But we are running a bit low on crude oil. So maybe it is time to upgrade this one. But once again, we are still struggling with this. I mean, half of it should go towards storage. So we are still building something. What do we build? Or what are we building? Also, it seems we are using more water than it says. Let's see. We have an input of 120 per minute. And we are using 120 per minute. But for some reason, this one is not actually... Oh, right, I know. This one also has a throughput of 60. So, if I upgrade it, that should fix the problem. There we go. Now this is better. Yep. Now this does actually fix the town water issue. So that one is now solved. Let's see, how is the farming doing? Irrigation tanks are pretty much full. That's what I like to see. How's the groundwater doing? Yeah, it's pretty much full as well. So everything is going okay. Okay, copper is pretty low. I think it's time to double up. No, wait, it's up to coal. It's because of coal. Anyway, the ramp is now widened, so let's see. Vehicles? Yes, it's under vehicles. Let's start placing the actual retaining walls. So, I don't know if this is the actual correct way. I like to have them in the middle, in between the two different squares. Let's see. So these retaining walls will go down. Basically, they will make sure that as we are digging, the ground from here will not fall in here. So as we are digging this place out, this ramp will be untouched. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can place 4 more, I think. There we go. Also, they are only effective until 5 levels down. As you can see, you can see the green outline. They only go so deep. Once they are, once we dig below 5, they are no longer effective. In fact, if we dig out their support, they will collapse, which is suboptimal to say the least. Anyways, once this one is done, in the meantime, you can keep digging in here. You guys are still concentrating on coal, right? Not everyone. Let's see. You two, please. So, all 4 are now, should be okay. We can place 3 more retaining walls. So you can go here. Anyway, at this point, these guys can be left alone, I think. Okay, copper is now bouncing back. That's what I like to see. How is coal? Coal. It's slowly coming back together, so that's fine. And this one should be... Yeah, all 4 of them are working, so this should be okay as well. Okay, trucks are still extremely busy. But I think that is fine. So, what we can do now is maybe, first of all, let's stop this one until this point. Let's concentrating on leveling down this area. In fact, we should make sure that we are actually only digging around the coast. Maybe until here. I would like to have a nice clean way to the beach. We have conveyor belts too, but I think we are okay on conveyor belts 1 for now. Coal storage is bouncing back, very good. So I would like to keep this one empty all the time, please. So it's basically the same for all 3 resources. So how is this mine doing? It is doing. Okay, I think at this point we can really place down the last of the retaining walls. So you will go there and you will go there. Can I quick build any of them? Yes, I can. Some of them at least. And we are out of concrete slabs, that's fine. So once this retaining wall is complete, I will start. In fact, I can remove this mining designation. I will turn this into a dumping designation and make sure that we are actually allowing dirt and rock and maybe even slag to be dumped here. So there is still a little bit of stuff falling in, but not as much if we had without the retaining walls. Okay, so what's next? The only alarm is now this one, which is fine. Sooner or later this will go away. How is the fuel doing? Doing fine, I think. What's next? What's next? Water is, I think, is bouncing back. Yeah, I think it's going up very slowly, but it is going up. In fact, maybe I should upgrade this one as well. Let's see. In fact, I should upgrade all of these pipes, I think. You too. What about the brine? Technically the brine is okay, but you know what? Let's play it safe. In fact, let's upgrade everything. This one as well. There we go. Just to be sure. You too. we are still refilling the water storage for the town. But after that is done, we should be okay. But since we are, let's see, 49, we are over half, so maybe I should add a couple extra. But also the coal supply is low. Not everything is as good as it should be. Yeah, it will take a little time for everything to be filled up again. But that is to be expected after a coal shortage. So, let's see. This one is still not empty. So I think I will allow truck imports for this one. Just so we can get rid of this. And maybe I should add just a couple extra rain catchers. So let's do just that. There we go, you can go away and we can quick build. Yes, we can. Okay, once this one is gonna actually just about I can place. So there we go. Go and bulldoze this one and quick build this. Now let's make sure that we are not actually exporting from these rain catchers anything at all. We had this problem a while ago. Okay, so we are still using rain primarily, but we have a little bit of groundwater backup. So how is the construction parts 2? That is fine now. So I wanted to upgrade this one. And I think I wanted to upgrade something else as well. But what? Oh, right. I think I want... No, wait. Oh, the power generation. Right. Because we have the water reclaiming. So... how do I do this one? I think I will make a copy of this. We cannot mirror this one. So I think I will have it like this. How's the groundwater around here? It is pretty much full. But with this water reclaiming, we can pretty much get rid of one of these groundwater pumps. So let's see. I think I will combine these smokestacks. So altogether we have 24, so we can get away with using only 2 smokestacks. So you will be... oh no, wait. We don't need smokestacks because we are using the cooling towers. So let's see, if I think I can place it like this. And you as well. We have just exactly enough space, so that is great. So let's pause because this one will take a bit of time to build. So pipe. We need to hook up this one and this one and this one. And these cooling towers will turn the low pressure steam into 12 water. So we have 24 water coming in, technically 48, but from this one we had 24. This outputs the exact same amount of low pressure steam, and that low pressure steam will get turned into 12 water. So basically we can reclaim half the water this way. instead of venting all of them out. And that will cut the water consumption in half. Okay, so can do this on the same on the other side. There we go. Can I quick build? I should quick build one of them straight away so we actually have some power generation. Even if not all of it. Let's see. There we go. Now one of these turbine stacks are actually working. And this one will be dealt with sooner or later. In fact, let's see, I should... Now that we are only using half the water, I will get rid of this pipe. And maybe I can hook this one up. Let's see. Maybe I can continue this one this way. Let's quick deliver from things from here. So pipe, you will continue into this one. Not the most elegant solution. So maybe I think I should maybe do this. No. Let's see, how's the groundwater actually? Fine. The first solution will be just fine. So, can you please hook up here? And at this point we can get rid of this pump. And I think we can get rid of this as well. And if I quick deliver everything from here, sooner or later this construction materials will end up in this one, I think. In fact, maybe I can quick build right now. Yes, I can. Perfect. There we go. So water is boiling. Now, before, let's see. We need to output the water as well. So I think we should include, let's see. We need a pipe balancer. I almost forgot. So pipe balancer goes here, and the priority will come from the cooling towers. There we go. And the other two, you can go this way. Like so. There we go. Let's quick build everything so we actually maintain power generation. Okay, so priority comes in from the cooling towers. And we only use this as a backup. Which basically means we are only using half of this 48 capacity. Okay, so this means also, maybe I was thinking between episodes, instead of relying on one of them and then this one just sits idle, maybe we should have this one priority 6, this one priority 7, priority 8, and this one priority 9. And do the same on the other one. So 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we can have, so this one is, yeah, one of them should be auto balanced. Yeah, there we go. So let's see. Why is this one not working? Oh yeah, because I didn't hook them up. So we need pipe going into this one. Yeah, this will do. So there we go. And this should split the work between these two power generators evenly. Okay, this one is spinning up. And we should see some of these turning as soon as we have enough power on the shaft. What's your problem? Missing input. For some reason the water input is a bit sluggish, so I think we should upgrade this pipe. And hopefully that will fix it. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so that fixed it. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Now we have a nice little power plant. This one will be emptied out eventually. We have lots of coal, very nice. And we have a nice deep coal pit, which we can extend this way. And this should allow the ramp to be untouched. Maybe just to be sure, I think I will only dig 5 squares, because if you remember, let's see, this one is 5 deep. Yeah, I think that's it. I will only dig until here, but we can still keep digging in this direction. In fact, let's just conform to the bigger grid. Yeah, this is going to be fine. So all of you are concentrating on coal, right? Yes, you are. Okay. So I think we are running out of time. Let's see. Before I go, let me check on the food supply. Potato is going down. Vegetable is more or less stable. Let's see. Maybe I should start doing fertilizers. Let's see, how far are we from fertilizers? Not too far away. I mean, the research queue is long, but we will get there eventually. I mean, with this extra water, the fertility should be okay. Anyways, I will deal with this in the next episode, because we are out of time. So, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, you can leave a like, leave a comment, maybe subscribe to the channel if you want. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.